This is the area that got hit in 97. I'll tell you what, it was August of 97. I was out in the semi with my dad at Manchester Drive, 608 Manchester Drive, Kewanee. Me and my dad did not hear the siren, but my mother did. And she came out and she yelled, "Jeff, the sirens are going off!" And then this is the area that got hit. See all around? See that nursing home or whatever it is there? So this would be the area. So anyway, a tornado was going to come our way, and my mom was worried it was going to hit our house. I went in the basement. My mom goes, "Get downstairs," and I did. And luckily it blew itself out before it got to Kewanee, thank God. Goodbye.